have to learn this sound. This is a very low, guttural sound. So I want everybody to listen to me make this sound, and then we're going to attempt it. It sounds like this. That sounds creepy, doesn't it? Okay, all right. All right, let's everyone, this is, you gotta get low here. Dig deep and say, oh, with me. Ready? Let's do it all together. Ready? Oh, yeah, that sounds good. Okay. All right. Now we're going to say these words. It's not going to sound like the field book, the field guide. It's going to sound like, we're going to say this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right? So let's practice that together, just the words. Okay, ready? Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, very good. Now we have to combine. That's the secret to bird calling, combining the with the words. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So let's try that together, combining them both. And let's try this bird call. Ready? Let's try it. Ready? Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, let's try it. Now we're going to combine them. So you're going to listen to me first. Listen to me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right. Let's try. Let's try. All together now. Ready? Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Does that sound good? Should we do that a couple more times?
No, I think we feel good about that.
Are we good? Okay.
All right.
Are we ready to all do this?
This is why they call her the bird call lady. Isn't she awesome?
All right, is this the one?
This is the one. Are we ready? We're all ready, yes?
Yeah. Are we ready? Let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Brilliant. One more time.
I'm very proud of you. You kept it down.